Show your sexy number. There you go. Wait. There's more.
What's up, YouTube? This is your man Jury Boy, and I'm heading to Sentosa to celebrate Rang Barsay with my friends. So basically, what is Rang Barsay? Rang Barsay is basically a color festival. It's like celebrating this Hindu Holi. So what happens there is that a lot of people gather, like hundreds of people gather there to basically to get wet, to party, and it's definitely going to be literally colorful. So I'm excited. See you guys there. All right, guys, I'm here with my friend now, Venus. So yeah, we're heading now to the bus stop, and yeah, we're gonna take a bus to get to Harbourfront. So that's how you get to Sentosa. You gotta take a bus first, or train if you want to. The train that you need to alight to get to Harbourfront is Harbourfront Terminal. Surprise, surprise. And then, yeah, but in my case, since I'm quite near Harbourfront, I'm just gonna take a bus. I have a direct bus from here going there, and then from Harbourfront, we're gonna take a monorail going to Sentosa. We're here in Vivo City right now. We are basically looking for two of my friends, Kat and Eve. So we're gonna meet them upstairs, and yeah, we're all gonna go together to Sentosa. So basically, Vivo City, this is one of the biggest malls here in Singapore, and it acts as a bridge between the main island of Singapore to the island of Sentosa. I think Eve is already here. She's finally here. Mga active mag-workout. Wala, nasa Bali ngayon.
Kinayagan ko mo ba?
Ba't naman hindi? Kat is also here.
Hello, vlogger. Hello.
I haven't seen you for so long.
Vlogger.
Plastic. Aray ko, tara na. Nagbabounce ba? Yeah, yun. What's up, man? You know what we're going? I only saw it a few days ago. Ay, umiwan na. Sabre. Please wait po.
रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे अरे किन्ने मारी पिचकारी तोरी भीगी अंगिया ओ रंग रसिया हो अरे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे
on with the run, Barsay. What a crazy day today. Woo! Most of them have already gone home. If you like this video, click and subscribe. Click on the bell button for you to get notification from my future videos. Bye now.